Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add and subtract multiple cells in Excel. So guys, as you can see, I have a sample data over here. So now in order for you to add and subtract, first thing is just simply provide an equal sign. And after that, just simply select your first data. Let's say I'm going to start with this one. And now you will have two options. You could either provide a plus icon or minus. So for example, I'm going to minus. So provide a minus, and after that, select the second data. And now just simply provide a sign again. Let's say I'm going to minus again. And after that, I'm going to plus and select the data or cell. And I'm going to plus again and select the data. And let's say I'm going to go minus and select the data over here and just simply enter. And after that, you should be able to have here the total. So now in order for you to apply this to all the cells over here, just simply click on this one and you could have the small box icon over here and just simply select it and drag it down to apply it to the other cells, and you should be able to have the total. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.